Hi, I'm b.eastman. As account executives, we want a system and process that we can follow that eliminates the risk of losing deals at the last minute. This course gives you the 10-step process to consistently make big money in B2B technology sales. The course is approximately 1 hour of video. It includes pro tips, sample questions, objectives per step, and checklists to complete each step. Introduction to PRSP. The difference between success and failure in B2B sales is where we choose to spend our time and our company's resources. We must allocate our resources to those deals that have the highest likelihood of closing and will generate the most revenue for our company. A win for us in commissions and a win for our company in revenues. Pro tip: when we demonstrate that our deals always close, we'll find that everybody wants to work on our deals. Everyone wants to be associated with success. We will naturally have more resources working on our deals, which creates the flywheel momentum of success. The predictable, repeatable sales process is proven to work with complex technology products to our customers' decision team. This process has been developed and refined over many years and has been proven to consistently earn from $250,000 to $1 million every year in total cash compensation. Master this process and never worry again about our ability to earn a great living. The 10 steps in the process. This sales process is a prescribed sequence of steps that are intended to be followed in the order listed. While there are exceptions to every rule, the sequence should be followed in this order, not moving to the next step until the current step is completed. There will be pressure to jump ahead and skip steps. This may work in some cases, but for predictable results, the discipline to follow this sequence will produce repeatable results. The reason for this will become clear as we cover the process. For each of these 10 steps, we cover the meeting objectives, the meeting agenda, and a checklist that we complete before we move to the next step. Let's get started with the introductory meeting.